Hello everyone, this is Keso. I have secured All India rank 312 in the recent UPSC CAPF examination and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be talking about my strategy for last 20-21 days which I followed for the paper 2, and this strategy helped me to score 108 marks in paper 2. So today is 12th of July and we have approximately 20 days in our hand, and I hope you all are giving your best for this examination for like paper 1 and paper 2 both. And in this video I'll be talking about a strategy for paper 2 only, and I'll be talking about the things which I did exactly last year. So I hope it will be helpful for you guys for the upcoming 21 days. So first thing is about the mock test, like full length mock test. So I wrote 3 full length mock test in time bound manner only. Like I gave 3 hours, like 10 minutes, and like 10 minutes or 15 minutes for every full length mock test. I wrote it and one in every week. So if you have not written any test, so I would suggest that you should write at least 1 or 2 full length mock tests. And if when you are writing the full length mock test, so rather than focusing on content, you should also focus on the time management. And for the time management, what I did was I decided the sequence in which I am going to attempt my test, or like I am going to attempt my question paper in the exam hall. And that order was firstly I completed grammar, then comprehension, and then report writing, and then arguments, and then essay, and then presse. I left presse for the last. And apart from writing test, I also did was I wrote one full length test every week. So in between, when I used to feel underconfident, then I used to go for one essay, one argument, and one report. So that was also very helpful in like to feel more confident and like to stay in the like in the feel of exam. So like practicing mock test was very helpful for me. So that's the very first advice and first strategy, that you should write at least 1 or 2 full length test. And so these were the two things which I did. First one was like 3 full length tests, and then in every 2 days or 3 days, one essay, one argument, and one report writing, just to feel confidence. And that's what I did. This was the most important thing I think I did in my last 20 days. So let's move on to the second one. So the second focus area for me was grammar section, and I was the kind of student who did not prepare grammar for the first 6 months of his preparation. So I prepared grammar in my last month of preparation only. And what I did was like I prepared all the topics from the last 10 years of PYQs. I had a book of PYQ for paper 2 also. So in that, like I made a list of topics which are asked. Like, so most important was phrasal verbs. So I think this was my hobby of reading books helped me here. So you should also prepare this. Like phrasal verb is like very important, and it is, I think it is one of the easiest 10 marks for you. And after phrasal verb, there are 10 1 mark questions, and those 10 questions are from various other topics. So when you go through the last 10 years of PYQs, just make a list of those topics, like preposition, neither nor, voice, narration, adverb, etc., and make a list of all those topics and try to segregate them at one place, like all preposition questions at one place, all voice questions at one place, all narration questions at one place. So that's how you will see a pattern, like and through that pattern you can you can guess the paper which is going to come in the next year. So that was very important for me. I made a list, and I segregated all these topics at one place, and that was very helpful for me. So you can do that for the grammar section. So to summarize for the grammar section, whatever I said, first of all, you should have a paper 2 book in which the solution for grammar section is there. and you should focus on the last 10 to 12 year PYQs and make a list of phrasal verbs. So you can easily get like 50 to 60 phrasal verbs in at one place, and then also make a like segregated like topic wise notes for voice narration etc. So that was very helpful for me. You can do that also. So this was my second advice. So first one was full length test and its role in time management and deciding the correct order of approach. So that was the first, and second one is grammar section, how to prepare it very extensively. So I did this, and this was very helpful for me, and I think I was able to score 20 out of 25 marks in grammar section. And so let's move on to my third advice. So the third thing which I followed was I prepared my content or my fodder points till the last date of examination. Like I had expected topics list in my hand, and also I had top like topics from the current affairs monthly magazines, and also there are several general themes I think which I have also uploaded on our YouTube channel, so you can check it out from there. And I prepared content on them till the last date. Till the last day I used to revise them, I used to update the data, and like I used to update anecdotes etc in those fodder points. So that was also very helpful for me. So there are many teachers who say you should not read anything new in last 10 days or 20 days. Uh, but I was not in that group of students, and I was preparing the content till the last date. So that was also very helpful for me. I'm not saying that what I'm saying is correct, but if you have prepared enough content, so you can revise them only. But I was preparing the fodder points till last date of the preparation only. And my fodder points were based on the list of expected topics. That was the like that was the topmost priority for me. Expected topics, I prepared like fodder points on them very extensively, and I prepared them so like extensively that I could write an essay and I could write an argument as well on those topics. And also I did one thing was I took the Vision IAS monthly magazines, and I segregated topics of security, international relations, disaster management etc, and i I tried to make fodder points on them also. So that was also very helpful for me. And I also learned the like various tricks of brainstorming such as pestle analysis etc. So that was also very helpful for me. So you should also look for them, and I will also try to create a video on how to brainstorm in the exam hall. So I'll be coming up with a video on that also. Okay, so these three things which I focus on on my last 2021 days. First one was like full length mock test in time bound manner, and the focus of those mock test was mainly on time management and to test the order of approach which I'm following is correct or not, and that was very helpful for me. And I completed my paper in like 5-6 minutes earlier in the exam hall, so that was very helpful. So you can do also this. If you are not able to write full length test, so you should go for this one essay, one argument, and one report format. So that will boost your confidence also. And after that, second one was grammar section. What I said, that's exactly what I did, and I think I was able to score 18 to 20 out of 25. So you can also do that. And then third one was content, how to prepare content, how to prepare fodder point. So you can focus on these three things: content from monthly magazine on the areas which are frequently asked, such as security, international relations, polity, recent acts and amendments, and also fodder points on general themes like themes or which I called them evergreen topics, such as women related issue, agriculture related issue, social media, digital media, etc. So these are the three things which I focus on in my last 20 days. So you can also do this, and I'll be coming up with video of brainstorming in 1 or 2 days. and I will also be uploading PYQs of sorts. So you can like this video, share among your friends, and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And you can also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.